The Nova 3 blast hood and comfort system are perfect for keeping you safe, clean, and comfortable during blasting. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set these up properly. Please read and follow all of RPB's instructions carefully. This video is an overview, and there's other important information within the RPB literature. The first step is to assemble each part following the RPB instructions carefully. Once assembled, we'll connect it all. We'll be using the kit from our online store, which includes the correct couplings and hose to connect to a Dustless Blasting Mobile's accessory port. Connect the black air hose to the 2-lug connector on the moisture trap, making sure to insert the safety pin. Connect the other end to the RADEX. Attach the green Airlines quick connector to one of the outputs on top of the RADEX filter. Screw the climate control device into the helmet's air tube, then connect the airline. RPB recommends using an active gas monitor to ensure there's no carbon monoxide in the supplied air. This mounts to the RADEX and connects to the remaining open port, and you can find it in our online store. Now that everything is hooked up, it's time to send air to the hood. First, it's a good idea to turn on the fan and crack open the moisture trap. This will remove some of the water and heat from the compressed air, making the RADEX's job easier and increasing the life of the filter. Slowly open the accessory valve on the moisture tank to send air to the blast hood, but don't open it all the way. The RADEX filter should operate within a specific pressure range. With the equipment included in our kit and one 50-foot airline, that range should be 55 to 85 psi. Adjust the regulator so that the gauge reads between those values. Once it's set, you want to choke the auxiliary valve down slowly. When you start to see the pressure drop at all, stop. If the pressure won't go up enough, open the auxiliary valve slightly more. If the RADEX's relief valve starts purging air, it means you're letting in too much. Close the ball valve until the relief stops hissing. Make sure the helmet has airflow and adjust the climate device to the desired cooling or heating level. Now you can put on the hood and use the strap to secure the climate control device around your waist. To reduce the chances of carbon monoxide in the compressed air, make sure your compressor is always out in the open or in a well-ventilated area. If not, the compressor may intake its own exhaust fumes, which you definitely don't want to breathe. The RADEX filter has a drain at the bottom. This should be opened at least daily to drain the moisture. With 40 hours of weekly use, it's recommended you replace the cartridge every 3 months. Also replace if you detect any smells, tastes, or moisture in the air. That's it. Now you know how to blast in comfort. Visit our online store to buy the Nova 3 and save big.